Hello everybody. Tashina Gonzalez here with a bonus live for you guys. So as usual, as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, a hello. Let me know what city and state that you are hailing from. And if you are watching the replay, no matter what venue, if it is Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, then hashtag replay. So I'm so excited because I have my box finally from our health and wellness convention that we went to. It shipped a little slower than I asked them to, but it is finally here. So I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So on Tuesday, we already did a class, so I'm not really going to go into details about that. And then in an hour and a half, we're doing that in Spanish. So I'm not going to go into details. But for those of you that are not registered for the classes, I want to share some stuff with you. So I'm going to share the diffusers first because they're big. So here's one of our new diffusers. Everyone knows that you can never have too many diffusers. I have a video on my YouTube channel about the benefits of using essential oils daily. Having a diffuser is going to cleanse your air. And a lot of times we choose toxic ways to scent our air. I used to be Airwick and plug-in and candle junkie. And that was a contributing factor to my asthma and my allergies. Getting all those toxins out of my home and replacing them with a diffuser and therapeutic grade essential oils completely changed my respiratory system. So this is a new diffuser that we have. And again, we have a class with the names and the details. So you can hop on my YouTube channel. And here is the other diffuser. Nice glass blown diffusers. So that's the first thing to share with you guys. We also got our aroma rings. So these are actual just little teeny tiny rings that you can put in your nose or on your ear for diffusing on the go. So we have one in Aroma Ease. This one, I do like it a lot. Peppermint, spearmint, and ginger. So it's very good for diffusing when you're traveling. I'm going to be perfectly honest. I put it in my nose and I hated it. So I'm probably going to have it on my ears, what I'm going to do. And we also have the lavender aroma ring. So diffusing on the go. Pretty cool, pretty good. What else did we get? We got some supplements. So Healthy Home. So we have our Kids Sense Unwind. And this is designed to promote a calm state and ease occasional irritability, and it's a good source of magnesium. I have a video that I also did on minerals, and magnesium is one of the ones that was mentioned. So this is actually watermelon flavor. I don't really usually like watermelon flavor like candy or stuff like that. These are like pixie sticks because we have our probiotic, but I'm going to try it and see if I like this one. It's actually not too bad. And I could use some calm and relaxation right now. So I'm trying the Kids Sense Unwind. I know the kids would love this. So that's that. Another thing that we got that everyone was super excited about is our super vitamin D. Woohoo! So I've seen some people take this and talk about how it is like taking sunshine in a bottle. We all know that most people in Michigan, and especially dark-skinned people in Michigan, are deficient in vitamin D. So super excited about these. They're dissolvable. So you just pop them in your mouth and you take them. Also got, which I just used, so my face is completely fresh and clean because we got our new Bloom skincare system. So this is collagen infused. And it is supposed to help with hyperpigmentation. So I just used it. I'm going to be perfectly honest with y'all. I've been leaving my house. And because I haven't been leaving my house, I've been real lazy with my nighttime skincare regimen. Because sometimes this stuff is, I have them for our little spa parties and stuff like that. But this is going to stay by the sink. I'm going to commit to using this on a regular basis. So we have our brightening cleanser, we have our brightening essence, and then we have our brightening lotion. So again, I just used that on my face. It's right before I hopped on here. What else do we have? So we have super exciting Thieves Chest Rub. All natural vapor rub. All natural vapor rub. Oh, the vitamin D. What is the flavor of the vitamin D? Because I just had the watermelon in my mouth. So, lemon balm. And D3 is in it. Yeah, it's limey. It's lemon limey. Definitely tastes lemon limey. They got lime essential oil and lemon balm in it. Thieves Chest Rub. So our Thieves Chest Rub is a cough suppressant and topical analgesic ointment, maximum strength. So all natural, toxic free vapor rub. Super excited about this. I don't need it right now, but can't wait to use it when I do. Okay, so I was actually out of my CBD drops. So this came in the kit: CBD Citrus Fresh, cinnamon, and cool mint. So I am super happy to be back stocked up on that. But it also came with our sample of the CBD. So I put it in a separate order because there were a lot of people that have been wanting some CBD muscle rub. And so I put it in a separate order, and I got some of these already, and I already sent them out as samples. So if you were not one of the people that got a sample and you've never got a sample from me and you'd be interested in muscle rub, I got 4 more to share with people. Okay, what else did we get? So we got these little new mini kits. This one is To the Rescue. And again, we did a class on Tuesday. You can go to that class and get all the details about it. But this says that it's natural solutions for life's little problems. These are so cute, like the holders. And we have in here Deep Relief, Digest, M-Grain, Thieves, and Stress Away. So they're just like a little really cute way to, you know, carry a few things. So these help with stress and a little bit of relief and some digestive support. So it's just a little mix of everything. This is Mind Over Matter. So this one has Deep Relief, M-Grain, and Peppermint. So if you have some type of tension, these are going to help you. And then we have our Relax and Unwind. So this actually has one of the lavender aroma rings in it. It has lavender, peace and calming, and stress away. And then we have our Wish You Well. This has Digest, RC, and Thieves, as well as an Aroma Ease aroma ring. And all of these actually have information. And then so Digest, digestive support, respiratory support, and immune support. Super, super cool. Also got, so diffusers always come with essential oils because you can't use them without essential oils. So got Citrus Fresh and Peppermint with each of those diffusers. Oh, and then we also got Ecuadorian Oregano. Look that up. Breathe Again in this large bottle for respiratory support. And then Cassia. I love, love Cassia. You can never get it by itself. I could tell the flavor in some things. So my oils, actually, I love how it's just like a warmer, sweeter cinnamon is what Cassia is. I just love, love, love it. I can smell it when it's in other blends. These oils are leaking, so I already called customer service and they're gonna send me some more, which is super cool. And then I got stuff for free, of course, because I maxed out my order. So Peace and Calming, Kunzia, awesome. Gathering helps me people when I don't feel like peopling, which is, what's the Thieves Rub? The Thieves Rub is, again, it's for respiratory support. So it's gonna, if you have cough, chest pain, it relieves stiffiness, congestion due to minor throat and bronchial irritation associated with the common cold. So super excited about that. Cool Azul, those were all free. And then I got this little to put a little roller ball with some crystals in it to put whatever I want in there, make my own blend or put one of the other ones in. And then we also got this One Heart blend, which I love the way that it smells. Again, we did a class, so I'm not gonna go into what's all in it, but it's really nice. And then we got Gary's Light. This one is a little heavy for me. I'm going to put it in diffuser and see how I like it, but I can't imagine like putting it on myself by myself. And then, oh, I almost forgot. I also got this. I think I'm going to put this on when I do the class tonight, just to be fun and silly. But this is a bloom crown, so it's really cute and really fun. So the other thing that we got, which I'm so sad to report to everyone, is we got liquid makeup. And we're going to go over that in the class tonight in Spanish. But I thought when I ordered this, I was going to have all the liquid makeup. Toxic free, amazing, wonderful liquid makeup. But I don't. So now I have to still order the makeup, which makes me really, really sad. But that's life. Sometimes you make mistakes. So that is what I want to share with you. I think that's all of my stuff. I'm pretty sure that's all of my stuff that I got. Healthy Homes, essential oils that's going to help with unwinding and relaxing. Supplements that are infused with things that are going to make you feel amazing and beautiful and wonderful. And if you want to learn more, hop on my YouTube channel, just my name, Tashina Gonzalez, and find the video we just did on these convention products. And if you speak Spanish, you can join us tonight for the class and learn additional details about these amazing products. So with that, I am going to close this out. Don't forget, hi, hello, wave. Let me know what city and state you are watching me from. And if you are watching the replay, then hashtag replay. Thank you guys. Have an amazing evening. Bye.